Hello everybody, my name is Theo. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to share some exciting news with you that's going to change everything that we do around here. Craving want more out of life and stop working a 9 to 5 and stop being ordinary? You're going to like what happens next. For those of you who have been on my channel for a while, you know that I've covered a lot of different things. I've done a lot of different videos, from reactions, regular videos. I didn't really know what I wanted to do. But lately I've been thinking about going into a different direction. It's something I've been passionate about for years, and I want to share it with you. For those of you who has been watching me since the beginning, you know I have covered a lot of different topics. I have done reactions, I have done different types of videos, I have done shorts, funny shorts, and I didn't know what I wanted to do. But lately I've been falling to pull in a different direction. Something that has been a passion for mine for years, but I just didn't know until today, and I want to share it with you. Now, I've always believed that it's more to life than just going through the motions, having a 9 to 5, and just being a slave all your life. It's about exploring, discovering new places, meeting new people, and creating memories with the ones that you love, and experience the way in the world.
What?
And experiencing the world the way that makes you truly happy. Know what I'm saying? Because I really love travel. That's why I decided to focus this channel on something that has really been close and dear to my heart, which is travel. So what does this mean for you? Well, you can expect a lot of different content on travel, the travel niche, because I really want to encourage people to travel. I really want people to start understanding there's more to life than just staying in your hometown and staying at your mama's house and just stand on a block. You have to get out. You have to meet other people. Know what I'm saying? I'm going to be sharing different travel hacks that I learned over the years, destination guide, tips for making money on the go, and stories of my own adventures, because I've had a lot of adventures all over the world, and it's actually crazy. So if you're planning your first trip or you're a seasonal traveler, there will be something for everybody on this channel. Whether you're planning your trip as a beginner or the seasoned traveler, there's going to be something for everybody in this group. By the way, I love the content I was doing. I love reactions. I just didn't like that I had to look for the videos. I had to figure out what people wanted to watch, and I had to look for them, and I had to do this and do that. Like, I don't really want to do that. I don't really want to do reactions. Like, everybody are doing reactions. I want to do something different. I want to stand in my own lane. I'm not really a reaction type of person anyway. Now, I know you might be wondering, what does this mean for the content that we're already loving? Well, don't worry. I'm still going to be authentic. I'm still going to spread the love and give you some advice on things like life. Like how I was doing in my, a lot of my reactions. I will stop the video and just speak to you guys for a second as you're my family, because you are. I only have 72 subscribers right now. By the end of the year, I plan to have at least 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year using AI. And should I just do a journey on this? Yeah, we'll get to that later. But I'm switching my content because I believe that this niche is going to bring way more value to you, even if you're on your life, you're trying to know how to make quick money, you're trying to figure out where to travel to, where it's cheap to travel, where should I, a lot of people want to travel, they don't know where to go. This channel is going to teach you where to go and how to get there, how much it's going to cost, how to travel on a budget, all of the above. And now I am beyond excited to bring you on this ride with me. So if you're just as excited as me about this new journey, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss when I post a video. I'm gonna try to post every day, but you know how that's gonna go. I might start every day, then I go to 4 times a week. You never know. However life is going. However life is going at that time. I got ADHD. And if you have any questions on topics that you want me to cover, topics that you might not be sure of, because I don't know everything. I'm still learning. So if it's a topic that I don't know, I can figure it out, or I can ask somebody that does know and tell you. So and you get this knowledge for free. So just put that in the way. I kind of messed it up. If you want and if you want travel topics, if you want topics or some things you want to know about, just put it down in the comments below, and I'd love to hear from you. I'm looking down because I have my notes like right here, so don't judge me. Don't judge me. Anyway, thank you for coming back to this community, and thank you for being a new member of this community. Your support means so much to me, even if it's just a view, a like, a subscribe, or you hit that little dinging bell in the corner. It all means so much to me. It helps me travel to different places and show you. Anyways, thank you so much for joining the community, coming with me on this ride. Your support means the world to me. Seriously, you do not know how much I appreciate, even though I'm not even monetized yet, I appreciate people watching something that I put on the internet. It just makes me feel so great. And I can't wait to start this new journey with you. So let's travel the world, get this bag, and have some fun. Hold on, don't leave yet. Do not leave. I got a couple links down below for all my social media channels. Actually, my social medias are right here in the video somewhere. Wherever they are. Just go ahead and check them out. And I'm going to have the links to them down below. And there's something that I want to show you guys. And some of the travel essentials that I use every time I go on a trip will be in a link down below as well. So check those out and see if you like them. If you don't like them, you don't like them. I'm going to start coming out with ebooks. I'm going to make a community. Yeah, I got have big plans for this channel. I'll make another video on what the plans are for this channel, but check out the links below. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new content. And my name is Theo Travels. Thank you for watching the video. I'm out.